Hey guys, this is Gerson with Shalom G Construction. I'm here in Weston, Mass. Um we're going to do a power wash, a whole house power wash. This house hasn't been washed yet since it was built. So all the gutters, the the white the white trim, as you can see, like under the gutters, under there, all needs to be washed. So I'm just sharing it with you guys that we're gonna be doing some power washing. It's very nice. I like to do power wash. Um, and it's a whole house. It's a big house, and there might be some spots that where the paint or the stain will come off. Um, and we'll need to do a touch-up. I'm going to show you the front. So here's the front. So we're gonna climb on the roof and take care of that gable end, and we'll take care of all the gutters. We'll wash the gutters in and out, and also wash downspouts and test them and make sure they're working properly. Okay. It's a very nice house. And that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can watch more videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching.